The Alienware M18 R2 gaming laptop is a powerhouse designed for serious gamers and professionals who demand the best in performance and visuals. You will find the link to this product in the description below at the best price. With its 18-inch QHD+ display, you get stunning clarity at 2560 by 1600 resolution, complemented by a smooth 165Hz refresh rate for fast-paced gaming or content creation. This high-quality display features ComfortView Plus, reducing blue light to protect your eyes, while the 100% DCI-P3 color coverage delivers vivid, true-to-life colors. The laptop is powered by an Intel Core i9-14900HX processor with 24 cores running at an impressive 5.8 GHz, ensuring you can handle anything from gaming to heavy multitasking with ease. The Alienware M18 R2 is not just about raw power. It also excels in graphics performance with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080, equipped with 12 GB of GDDR6 RAM. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or rendering complex 3D models, the RTX 4080 provides the performance and visual fidelity you need for immersive experiences. Paired with the powerful CPU and GPU, this laptop is ready to tackle the most demanding applications. The laptop also comes with 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, ensuring a smooth experience even when running multiple applications simultaneously. The 2 TB PCIe SSD gives you plenty of space to store your games, media, and files, while also offering fast read/write speeds for quicker load times. The Alienware M18 R2 also includes several connectivity options, including Thunderbolt 4.0, USB 3.2, HDMI 2.1, and an RJ45 killer Ethernet port, providing fast and reliable connections for both wired and wireless networking. Another great feature of this laptop is the FHD IR webcam with Windows Hello. This makes logging in a breeze, as you can unlock your device simply by using facial recognition. Whether you're streaming, video conferencing, or just chatting with friends, the new camera ensures that you look sharp and clear, even in different lighting conditions. In summary, the Alienware M18 R2 gaming laptop is built to deliver exceptional gaming performance, fast processing, and stunning visuals, making it the ultimate choice for gamers, content creators, and professionals alike. If you're looking for a laptop that can handle anything you throw at it, this is the one. You'll find the link to this product in the description below at a best price.